let me make a general thing though. Like, there ain't enough good women that are moldable for these men. So not everybody's gonna get a shout. Not everyone's gonna get a shout. Nah, because you gotta factor in, bro. You guys in the chat don't understand the quality of the women in the Dominican Republic. And the access. Because the man them in London, yeah, I know you say, oh, it's not about the chicks, it's not about the chicks, bro. Man them they need to find themselves a wifey and settle down in it. But you ain't gonna find them in the UK because the beanies that these man them want, they can't get because they don't have enough money. You need 150. You need 150 bands for the baddies.
And the guys that got 150, they're not getting girls. The guys that got 150, they're not getting girls, man. You don't need money.
If they're lame, no. But I'm making general statements. But basically, I just think that a lot of men them in London are not really being fully truthful about the state of play in the market, because 30k, an attractive girl, let me take away from the baddies, an attractive girl is not impossible, but it's hard for her to be led by a man making 30k because there's too much distractions for her. There's too much going on. Like, oh shit, I can go to Dubai. The 30k guy who's solid, who's consistent, who would be a good option for her. They kind of like, they might overlook that guy and he might get lost in the sauce. And then he has to try the next one. Bro, black men and black women ain't getting... When was the last time you got invited to a wedding, bro?
Yeah.
Exactly. Forget it. It's done. So what I'm saying is to black men that are in the group chat, potentially you might want to look abroad. It might even be, bro, there's Europe, there's Eastern Europe, bro. There's North Africa, bro. So it's not just like, oh, I'm on this black thing. No, I'm trying to be open. There's the world. Just avoid the Anglosphere. England, New Zealand, Australia, all avoid that.
New Zealand?
Avoid. I'm not saying go.
Avoid it. Avoid it. I was about to say, you're going everywhere.
Avoid the Anglosphere. So USA, avoid. Canada, avoid. Australia, anywhere where they speak English as a main language and they're a first world country, don't go. Bro,
you really are taking advantage of these chicks,
bro.
Boy.
My boy is in Brazil. Yeah, he's got paper. He's got more paper than me. He lives like a king in Brazil, an absolute king. When he's ready to start a family, he chooses. The difference in London, these man them get to start a family with fat Keisha and fat Chantel. It's a choice. My boy who's in Brazil, he gets to choose out of all the beautiful, all eclectic tastes and colors and complexions, the buff things, bro. The same women that are in the rap videos, the same quality of women, whatever. He can choose at his will, bro. Because he's paid the cost, innit? He's paid the cost to be the boss. He's built himself up. He can just choose. Like, why are we in London with a lot of dead things? Because the buff things here, they don't give an access to these regular men. They're not. That's what I'm saying.
Your life is about gal. Like for me, I don't care how many tens I've got around me. I will never feel fulfilled unless I reach some sort of success, like more than what I've got now. Yeah?
But you know what it is, bro?
Whereas you, I don't think you care about that because all you've been talking about is gal.